Hi, my name's Mikey and this is my Focus RS.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
So this is my 2009 Focus RS Mk2. I'm just going to make a video because I did a poll on Instagram and everyone was like, yeah, make a video. So I'm going to try and act like I know what I'm on about and tell you basically what my car is, and yeah, so here we go. So it's running just under 400 brake. It's been tuned by Sam from DDG in Manchester. It's a really aggressive map. Basically just gave him the car and said just make it as aggressive as you can. And he did. I've got a stage 2 AirTech intercooler, but I've got the M Sport logo sprayed on the front because I thought just do something a bit different. I've got a Miltek straight through exhaust with a 3.5 inch downpipe. Got a Group A air filter, K&N. Got the AirTech plenum. I've got the Turbo Smart wastegate and valve. Still in the middle of doing my engine bay up, but I've got some like custom carbon bits here, and I tried wrapping stuff which didn't come out too great, as you can see. It bubbles and yeah, heat I suppose. But yeah, my engine bay is not finished yet. There's some stuff I want to do, but it's getting there. So yeah. Everyone asked me about my headlights. I basically just sprayed them myself because I didn't like the standard silver. Just basically took it apart and sprayed bits yellow and black. That's it really. Everyone keeps asking me if they're done by a company. No, I did it myself. The hardest part is basically opening up, but after that it's really easy. Got the Zunsport grill on the front and them things, but they don't really do anything because I can't get the pipe in because of the intercooler, but I just think they still look cool. The original grill just kept rusting all the time and I was sick of spraying it, so basically just upgraded to Zunsport and I've been alright ever since. Everyone always asks me what they are in the grill. Those yellow things, they're basically horns, but they sound really bad, so I don't have them wired up, but they just look cool through the grill. Just thought it's more for show than anything. I've got a KMS air roofy scoop my thingy mum up. Doesn't do anything, just looks cool. I got the Evo spikes. Everyone keeps asking me where I got them from. Just try Amazon or eBay. They just glue on or stick on, whatever you want to do. Got my custom banner, sunstrip. That is, everyone moans that it's too big and I'm going to get pulled over by the police, but the police have never bothered me with it, and everyone's just dead sound about it. Yeah. I did have the full Maxton Design splitter kit for the car, but obviously the front being low and basically living in a forest area, it always kept getting ripped off. So everyone keeps asking me what this is. It's just a cheap rubber one, but it looked a bit weird without having a splitter on the front with the rest of the splitter kit. So I've got that on there, and basically it moves when you hit anything and it doesn't snap off, because I've been through 2 of the Maxton front ones and it just costs a lot of money. So Maxton, if you want to sponsor me and send me another front splitter, I'll be welcome to that. I was Revo Stage 2, but I've got a custom map now, and I basically haven't took the stickers off. That's why it says Revo on the side of the car, but it's not actually Revo. It is DDG, Sam from DDG, and all those lads tuned it for me. So, moving to the rear of the car, there's not a lot really. It's basically just standard. I haven't really done much to the back of the car, apart from I wrapped this thing in carbon because everyone seems to have it done. It just looks cool. I got black RS badge on the back. I did have the Welsh flag one, but I moved them to the sides. Apart from that, it's pretty much the back end standard, apart from obviously the rally flaps, mud flaps on the back, which great company. And my favourite sticker, everyone likes. Yeah, so I'm basically just running Miltek exhausts. I don't know if you can see them on the camera. If you can, the camera doesn't want to focus. Yeah, Miltek. Just some stickers. I've got these. The only thing that is not standard on the back of the car, apart from the exhaust system, is these lights. They're just basically blacked out LEDs. They're quite smart. So moving to the interior, I have the 𝙬𝙆𝙀, so I have basically the fancy screen in my car with the maps on. Done a few mods inside, basic custom steering wheel by Code with a quick release. I've done some basically just like pinstriping yellow to just give it a bit of a theme. Painted the them things on the seats white because I thought they looked cool, matched with the car. Basically done a stripy thing on the door and wrapped them in carbon, and I think that's it for the interior really. I haven't really done much. So when I first bought the car it was completely standard. I've done basically everything you can see myself. I've had BD Performance and Wrexham help me out fixing a few issues, and it's obviously been tuned by Sam from DDG in Manchester, but basically everything else I've done myself. All the vents, put the intercooler, everything on, I've done it all myself. Basically just a learning experience. I had a Fiesta before this, and this is obviously a big step up. But yeah, for me it was basically just learning how to do stuff, watch a few YouTube videos and do it myself. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe. Yeah, I take it you probably come over from Instagram. If not, check out my Instagram, do photos. And yeah, sort of new to YouTube, so I'm going to try and basically do the best I can. I've got some ideas for videos. I've got a few mates who've got some STs that I could do some videos on, and yeah, just leave me a comment, basically just letting me know what you want to see, anything more about my car or whatever, and I'll try my best. And yeah,